Hello, and today we're going to do the tutorial for the automatic furnace. You can see the video about that, but we're going to go into the tutorial. So we're going to go into a different world and then do the tutorial, because that sounds better. So I'll just create a new world. So we have to go to creative, cheats on. Yep, that's done. And then we create it. Oh. Okay. Oh man, I forgot to do it in a flat terrain. Man, I'm gonna go do that. I can't do that. I have to create it. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in creative, but if you want to do it in survival, it depends, but you need hoppers, levers. You can use any type of. You can use torches to power the rails, normal rail and powered rail, and you also need, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, furnace, to make the basic stuff. Wait. What? Oh man. Okay. First thing you need to do is, not that, but put a hopper up 2 layers above, and I mean a furnace, and then keep doing that. You can do about 10 per row. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you can put hoppers pointing into each other. I mean, into the furnace. Sorry. Yeah, so like that. This is basically what you're gonna do for like all of them. So then you can place, shift and place, you have to shift and place almost everything. Powered rails. And powered rails here too. Wait. If you don't want them connecting, you can do this. So this is the rail system. Now we have to make the, I really don't know what to call it, but where your items are gonna be. Okay, so we're gonna have to create a platform. And so you connect this and this with rails and blocks. Okay. And then connect it like this, and then one block like that. And then carefully put a hopper facing into a rail like this. Then you can lead it to wherever you want your chest to be, and then put your chest on top of the hopper. I'll do that right now. Remember, you need to shift click. Okay, that's done. And if we get a minecart with chest, and we put some andesite in here, you'll see it's going into this, but we don't want that now. So that's basically it, and you have to place a block right here, and then you can create many as these, but for this tutorial I'm gonna just make 2. So you're gonna have to do this, and then for this one you're gonna have to do the same thing, basically. Oh wait, not that. Oh yeah, this one has to go down a level. And then you can do it like this, and then you can go up again. This one you'll have to go 1 out, then curve back. Okay, now you can put your rail, like this, and then basically just make a U-turn. Then you can get your lever, torch, block of redstone, and flick it. Wait, you should put one right at the edge so the power is almost off. And do the same thing for that. If you don't have space, you can always do this. And you can break this, like this, and do this. Like this. Okay. Now you basically do the same thing for that. So you put furnaces down, how much you want in a row. Okay, that's done. And then hoppers into it. Then you put the rails on. Oh, that's bad. Destroy these for now. Oh, I was wrong. You should do this first. Okay. Before you do the bottom one, do the top one first. You can simply power these by doing this. And then I broke this by accident, so putting this back. Now you can do this. So I'll redo this. Oh man. So we need to do this. Normal, powered, and then normal again, and then powered. Oops. Sorry, I have a sore throat. And then you do the same thing for this side. Okay, so. And then we can place the rails down. Okay, so we can put a lever here to power this, and lever in the center to power this. Oops. Okay. Wait, actually we don't want to place that here. Wait, we do, but 2 blocks and then put a normal rail. Okay, wait. Let me just set the time. Okay. So that's pretty much it. For the actual furnaces, and then we have to create this redstone here, but we'll do it after we get this done. So this is pretty much done, and now we need to do the hoppers that collect the items. So go under the furnaces and like make a tunnel if you're underground, or like me if you're not. So basically get a chest that the items are gonna go into, and get hopper and lead it in. You might have to adjust the height, but right now it's perfectly right for me. So do this, keep on doing it. Oh, just to say, this version is much more compact than the one I showed you. So if you don't have that much space as I did, it'll be about 3/4 of that. Okay, you do not want to place like this, or else some coal will go into a system of hoppers. So you have to go around it, and then do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so that's basically done. Place a block right there. Should be looking like this somehow. If it doesn't, well, I recommend go back and look. So this is gonna be the fuel, and then we can make this by doing this. You don't want it too close to this, so you can do it as far as you want, but I'm doing it this. So we'll do it power, oh, oops, oh no. it like, oh my. Finally. Oh my. So, it looks like we're gonna have to do this to make it. Oh. Sorry. I'm gonna do this. Before I do that, we're gonna do this. This. Why can't I place? Okay. Sorry. It's kind of getting ridiculous. Okay, let's do this. We'll leave this up. Okay, that should stop it from connecting. Okay. Now we do this, and then we can get a normal rail, powered, normal. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but something like this. And then powered. Okay, now probably rise it. Powered, normal, and then two powered. And that's pretty much it for this episode. I'm gonna explain the other redstone later, so after I finish this, I'm gonna show you how it works. And then that's gonna be it for this episode. Okay, coal and iron ore, which is right here. You can put, oh yeah, and then you put block here, and then, oh, mine cart here. You can put levers next to the railroads for now. So you put the coal in here, the iron in here. Later we'll make an automatic system, but for now this will do. Okay, when you see that's all loaded, we can just wait. And it's done, so you can send it off. You can send this off. As you can see, it's distributed, and it's now smelting. And if we just wait at our chest, oh, and this is kind of a glitch. But if we wait, iron should flow out. I mean ingots. And the larger you make your, the more furnace you put, like for example, the one I showed you, it was 60 furnace one, so if the more you put, the more faster. It's almost done. It's now in 60s, 3 more. Sometimes when this might break and another item will fall in the fall in the hopper and go in the furnace, but you can check the hoppers and fix that quickly. Something might be wrong. Like, okay. But you can check that out, and thanks for watching, and bye.